Section 6. A picture paints 1,000 words. In the previous section, we looked at some of the tools involved with mining or extraction of information from the data. In this section, we will be introducing you to the presentation of data and the concept of data visualization. Now in this video, we will focus on the first topic, data visualization tools. We will be looking at data visualization, some of the tools that are available to visualize data. This will include plotting graphs in R and using maps to represent location-based data. Plot is a good general-purpose tool for the creation of graphs and other simple diagrams. We've already seen it in action in previous videos. Here, we will take a bit more of an in-depth look. It does provide a range of graph types, such as plots, charts, and line graphs. By using the simple command of plot (orange) I get a series of graph types back, summarizing the orange dataset. By specifying the age and circumference of the oranges as part of the X and Y axis, I can get a more specific graph. Digraphs is a JavaScript charting library. Unlike the plot graphs, it does provide an interactive graph. By moving the mouse over the graph, it will display values. Like plot, it supports a good range of graph types and is simple to implement. Also, it supports time series analysis. Using the air passengers data, a sample dataset supplied with RStudio, I can simply pass the data frame into digraphs to introduce a nice time series. Labels can be added to the graph using XLab and YLab. Grapher is another useful graphing package. Unlike plot and digraph, it has a user interface which can be initiated through RStudio. Like the other two packages mentioned, it also supports a good range of graph types, a useful front end for selecting data in graph types. The data can either be extracted directly from a file or from an R data frame. There are about 10 R packages for mapping data. Having created the map points, it can be overlaid onto the map before publishing. In this example, I'm just using the map data library and displaying a map of the world. Later in the section, we look at how to select a region before overlaying points onto the map. In this video, we looked at some of the tools that are available to visualize data. The tools selected are by no means the only ones available, but just the most common ones currently being used.